Good day, I'm Carrie Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for Friday, July 15. Jamaica will be doing away with visa requirements for a number of Latin American countries in an effort to attract more visitors from that region. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says Poland and a few other European countries will also receive exemptions. He has listed Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Mexico, Colombia, Ecuador, Panama and Peru as the Latin American countries that will be targeted.
The whole business of visa as a means of facilitating access to destination is a global reality now, and e-visas are becoming quite popular. India, for example, is a good example, Australia and South Africa, and they have been able to develop the platforms that allow for visitors to go online and pay the requisite fees and get their printout visas to work with. So we have to look at those kind of innovation as we seek to build out visitor facilitation.
The minister was speaking with JIS News following a recent meeting with the tourism industry players and stakeholders at the Montego Bay Convention Center. All high school students will be required to sit at least one technical or vocational subject in their exit examinations starting in June 2017. Chief Education Officer Dr. Grace McLean says the technical subject will be done in conjunction with 4 others, including mathematics and English language. Pointing out that industry is seeking more skilled workers in areas such as ICT, she says the objective is to prepare high school leavers for the world of work. Dr. McLean was addressing the recent graduation ceremony for Career Advancement Program CAP students at the Institute of International Recognized Qualifications, IIRQ, in Kingston. CAP provides additional educational and vocational training opportunities for secondary students ages 16 to 18. IIRQ offers approved courses based on the City and Gales syllabus. Primary school students have surpassed the Education Ministry's target for mastery in literacy.
We had targeted that by this year we wanted to be at 85% of the cohort passing the literacy test, having mastery. And now we are at 86%. So we have done well.
The Education State Minister says the next step is to achieve 100% mastery. He was addressing a recent graduation exercise at the Parity Primary School in St. Elizabeth and commended the students and teachers for their performance.
Very few schools can boast that they have ever gotten 100% in the grade 4 literacy exam. Parity has gotten that. That is a significant benchmark of how well the school is doing.
In recognition of Parity students' performance in the Grade 6 Achievement Test, Minister Green promised bursaries for the top male and female students at the school. As government continues to push production in the agriculture sector, Portfolio Minister Karl Samuda has announced an investment in 200 acres of land by a major conglomerate. The lands are at the Hounslow Agro Park in St. Elizabeth and will be used for the production of hot peppers.
They will provide all the planting material, all the input, all the fertilizer, everything that you need. And at the end of the day, your crop is taken off at a price that you can be proud of and happy. That is the kind of partnership that is beginning to develop throughout the length and breadth of Jamaica.
Minister Samuda was delivering the keynote address at the handover of a drip irrigation system to farmers at the new Forest Stuff House Agro Park in Manchester recently. Restoration work on the boyhood home of national hero Marcus Mosiah Garvey is to be completed by August 2017. The home, which is located at 32 Marcus Garvey Way in St. Anne, was to be restored in 2011 by the Chase Fund as part of the Jamaica 50 Legacy Project. But Culture Minister Olivia Grange says that due to the then non-use of the funds, Chase indicated that the money was no longer available, but made a commitment to do so in the future, subject to a detailed restoration plan and estimates.
I have now instructed the JNHT to review the plans, to make a new submission, and to ensure that it is completed in time to be officially open next year to celebrate Garvey's birthday in August as a Jamaica 55 Legacy Project.
Minister Grange was addressing Parliament during the recent sectoral debates. The site of Garvey's boyhood home was declared a national monument in 1992. And finally, the Culture Minister says government is committed to expanding the acquisition of pinnacle lands in Sligoville, St. Catherine, and prioritizing the establishment of a Rastafarian heritage site and cultural center. She says that of the 8 pinnacle sites that will be declared by the Jamaica National Heritage Trust, 6 lots will be dedicated as a heritage site for the Rastafarian community.
To date, Cabinet has approved the purchase of 5 lots, and negotiations will take place to execute the sale of these 5 lots at an agreed price. In the meantime, the JNHT team has conducted exploratory work on the 6th lot, and the board of the JNHT will be providing me with a report on the outcome of this work.
Minister Grange says part of the property has already been declared a national monument and is protected and preserved in accordance with the JNHT Act. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Carrie Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.